Hey, this is Todd. I'm here at Apex Customs in the room where they do all the PPF, vehicle wraps, and Ceramic Pro, and I'm going to touch on the three top reasons why Apex customers do Ceramic Pro on their vehicles. The third most popular reason has to do with long-term value. There's a lot of vehicles come in here, they're very expensive. A lot of them come in brand new right off the lot and they get Ceramic Pro treatment inside and out. And the reason is there's really no better way to preserve the long-term value of the vehicle than by doing Ceramic Pro. The second most popular reason is that it looks good. So the car always looks like it just got detailed inside and out. So if you like a car that always looks great and you take a lot of pride in your vehicle, Ceramic Pro is the answer for that. And then the single most popular reason why people get Ceramic Pro on their vehicles is it is really easy to keep it clean and looking perfect. I've got a GX 460 Lexus SUV, and it would take a long time to detail that car every time it gets dusty and dirty here in Phoenix. And with Ceramic Pro, all I have to do is take about 10 minutes every weekend and just dust off the car, and it looks like it just got a full $300 detail.